Tommy's Margarita. It was created by a guy named Juan, and he was working at a Mexican restaurant called Tommy's, and he had the idea that a margarita should be all Mexican ingredients. He said, no, 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 no. Cointreau is not a Mexican ingredient, so take it out and put more agave in there. So let's make this, shall we? You need a cocktail shaker for this one. The first ingredient is agave nectar, 1/2 ounce. Not only does it sweeten the cocktail, but it enriches the tequila because it comes from the same plant. Fresh lime juice, 1 ounce per person. So now the only thing we need to do is add some amazing tequila, 2 ounces. Take yourself a nice short rocks margarita glass and make sure you put ice in here before you shake. Shake it as hard as you can for 10 seconds, okay? That's all we need to do. We're gonna use a lime wheel. That's more for the aesthetics. This is insane.